If you think Lay's has came out with some unique potato chip flavors in the American markets, wait until you see what they have to offer in the Far East. Lay's is no stranger to pushing the envelope and experimenting new flavors, where they promote new flavor campaigns on an almost annual basis. But in China, the company has been pumping out new flavors catering to the Asian palate for years. In this video, we'll try out 3 of the many crazy flavors I found in my local Chinese markets. Note that the following 65-gram 2.3 ounce bags were sold at $2.49 at the time of purchase. First up, we have this golden bag that looks like it could be an appetizing flavor. If you can't read this, you have to guess what flavor this might be. Is it latte? Cappuccino? Pudding? Well, this is actually creme brulee milk tea flavor. Upon opening, I was instantly disappointed that less than half this bag was chips. I'm a glass half full type of guy, but when it comes to chips, come on, give me a full bag. These chips has the traditional Lay's paper thin look, and it doesn't look like it's covered with seasoning. Definitely passes the crispy and crunchy test, and it has a sweet floral flavor on first bite. Kinda has notes of jasmine tea, but quickly it turns bland and flavorless for a second, and then it finishes with a bitter flavor. It wasn't sweet enough to be enjoyable, and the random moments of bitterness was just off-putting to me. I think it would have been better off separating the flavors. I give it a 4 out of 10. Next up is the beef hot pot flavor, because hot pot is so big in China that you just have to make a potato chip flavor out of it. If you didn't watch my last video about self-heating hot pot, be sure to check out the description for the video. Once again, they only filled half the bag, but these are the wavy ridge type of chips. They look darker in color and some seasoning is visible. These chips were even more crunchy, and the flavor did resemble a bit like a spicy hot pot broth. There was a noticeable chili pepper flavor and a hint of meatiness, but not much of the mala Sichuan peppercorn flavor. So if you ever ate instant noodles by smashing it into bits and pouring the spicy ramen seasoning on top of it, this is almost exactly that flavor. It wasn't bad, but I give it a 6 out of 10. Last is the most unique of today's batch. This one is the salted egg yolk flavor. If you don't know what that is, salted egg is a popular Chinese ingredient made from soaking eggs in a salt brine. The egg white becomes intensely salty, and the yolk takes on almost a cheese-like crumble and richness with a mild umami saltiness. The flavor is unique and hard to describe unless you had it yourself. Wow, this actually tastes like salted egg yolk. It has that light fermented yolk flavor and lingers on the tongue. I don't see any seasoning, but it's like they sprinkled egg yolk powder on it. I can definitely finish this whole bag by myself. You know what? I give this a 10 out of 10 because it has the perfect crunch, and this actually tastes 100% to what it's supposed to taste like. So that's about all for these 3 flavors, and there are many more flavors across a wide variety of Asian snacks, and not just potato chips or the Lay's brand. And that's the beauty of import and export, because we can try snacks with flavors of foods we loved in our own cultures growing up. I hope to share with you more unique snacks that you might have never seen before, so stay tuned and keep feeding your appetite.